Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Nurse Ratchet Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make the easiest rum raisin cinnamon rolls. Come on, Malik. Come on. We are going to start with some butter. I'm going to make a little caramel sauce to go at the bottom. Okay, so see, this is what I be talking about here. Is the butter? Time. Okay, so we're gonna take, that's probably about a tablespoon or two. Okay, a little butter, a little bit of this brown sugar. Put that in the bottom there, maybe a little more. And then I'm going to add some salt. You gotta add salt to your baked goods. It really makes a huge difference. If you know, no shade. All tea, no shade. A little sprank. All right, and it should look like this. This is going to go in the oven, broil 450 high heat so that it can melt down and get all nice and caramelized. We'll be back, guys. Now I am going to make the glaze. We're going to use some powdered sugar. I keep all of my stuff contained here. There's a little brown sugar on that, but it won't hurt anything. We're gonna get a couple of scoops. Maybe that might be fine, but we want it to be extra glazy. Okay, so about 3 tablespoons. We also get a fork here so that I can mix it correctly. You know what? I need to get a thing for my utensils here. Put in a little bit of this heavy cream just to thin it out a little. So a little heavy whipping cream to your consistency. I mean, to your desired consistency. So this is fine because I'm going to put it on the warm rolls and it's going to melt all up in there. So that's fine. Now I'm going to add some rum extracts. This is going to give it the rum flavor. Oh man, I don't even know if I even got any up in there. Are you getting in here? Are you getting a shot?
Yes, I'm getting a shot.
So about a half a teaspoon. And that should work. Mix that all up. Let's taste. Perfection. Perfection. That's perfect. That's what I went to culinary school for. Like this. Dark caramel. Here. Cinnamon rolls. These are so delicious. They have raisins throughout. Look at that. See how soft that is? That's yummy. So we just place these in the pan on top of that caramel there. They're all, I don't know if these are supposed to be 4 rolls, but we're just gonna stuff them all up in here. That hot? No, it's a little warm. Soak up all in that caramel. Yum. Now, let me see something up in here, because I wonder, I'm gonna take some heavy whipping cream and just kind of glaze the top of these. Kind of give it a little bit more oomph to it. Give it a little glazed look, a little shine, a little extra flavor. And then we're gonna put this back in the oven. We're gonna put it on about 350. So let's do that. 350, and we'll probably do about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up the area, clean as you go. I don't know about you, but who wants a stack of dishes at the end? This is an ad for Clean As You Go. So there's a new product on the market now. It is amazing. All you have to do is snap your fingers. It is done. Watch this. See this? And snap. Link will be in the bio for the Snap Clean As You Go product, guys. Link in the description. All right, Pete. Now we have to, let's see, let's check on these. Nope. We have about 7 more minutes left and we will be back. We should be about done. It's been about 10 minutes on 350. And this is what the rolls are looking like now. See where the milk, the heavy whipping cream was and how shiny it is up there? Nice. Still nice and fluffy, just a little crispy. Perfect. Now while these are still hot, we want to go ahead and drop the glaze. So the glaze could just melt all into that roll. These rolls are not too sweet. Perfect balance. They have the raisins in the middle, the rum on the top. They're still warm, so they're gonna melt all up in there. That goodness, look at that. All right, Malik, you gotta get a close up. Get a close up on that. Look at how nice those are. Do you see the caramel in there and the glaze? Delicious. Now, let's see what that looks like here. Take a big one. Look at this. Oh, hell, that's hot. See that? Get a close up of that. Now look at the bottom. Now, let's see if we can just kind of get a, let me get a plate here. Let me not, and let's put that here. Look at that. Look at how soft that is. See how soft that is? Look at the middle. That's a perfect middle of a cinnamon roll. Raisins. See that raisin there? That's taste. That's pretty good. That's really good. Look how moist. See that? Malik, is you getting close of it?
Yes, I am.
not about to play with you. This is good. The raisins, the rum, cinnamon rolls in 15 minutes. It does not get no better than that. Cinnamon rolls, 15 minutes. I said I don't get no better than that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment. Leave your tips, tricks, and suggestions in the comments below. Link in the bio for everything used as far as the Snap Clean As You Go product. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Nurse Ratchet Kitchen. I'm going to show you the easiest way to make rum raisin cinnamon rolls. Cut. I know. Is you ready? Am I on?